न च श्रेयोनुपृश्यामि हत्वा स्वजन्माहवे, न कांक्षे विजयम कृष्ण न च राज्यम सुखानि च.
I do not see how any good can come from killing my own kinsman in this battle, nor can I, my dear Krishna, desire any subsequent victory, kingdom, or happiness.
कि नो राज्येन गोविंद की भोगैर्जीवितेन वा येषां थे कांक्षितः नो राज्यम भोगाः सुखानि च. त इमेव स्थिता युधे प्राणास्त्यक्त्वा धनानि च आचार्या पितरः पुत्रास्तैव च पितामहः. मातुलाः श्वश्रूराः पौत्राः श्यालाः सम्बन्धिनस्तथा एतान् हन्तुमिच्छामि घटपि मधुसूदन. अपि त्रैलोक्यराज्यस्य हेतुः हि नु मही कृते निहत्य धार्तराष्ट्रायणः का प्रीति स्यात् जनार्दन.
O Govinda, of what avail to us are kingdoms, happiness, or even life itself when all those for whom we may desire them are now arrayed in this battlefield? O Madhusudana, when teachers, fathers, sons, grandfathers, maternal uncles, fathers-in-law, grandsons, brothers-in-law, and all relatives are ready to give up their lives and properties, and are standing before me, then why should I wish to kill them, though I may survive? O maintainer of all creatures, I am not prepared to fight with them even in exchange for the three worlds, let alone this earth.
पापमेवाश्रे दस्मागतमें तानाथ तायनः तस्मानार्हा वयम हन्तु धार्तराष्ट्रान् सबान्धवान् स्वजन ही कथ हत्वा सुखिनः स्याम माधव.
Sin will overcome us if we slay such aggressors. Therefore it is not proper for us to kill the sons of Dhartarashtra and our friend.
यद्पेते न पश्यति लोभोपहतचेतसः कुलक्षक्रद दोष मित्रद्रोहे च पातकम्. कथ न ज्ञेयमस्माभिः पापाद्मानिवर्तितुं कुलक्षक्रद दोषं प्रपश्यद्रिर्जनार्दन.
O Janardan, although these men, overtaken by greed, see no fault in killing one's family or quarreling with friends, why should we, with knowledge of the sin, engage in these acts?
कुलक्षये प्रणश्यन्ति कुलधर्माः सनातनाः धर्मे नष्टे कुलकृत्स्नं धर्मोऽभिभवत्युत.
With the destruction of dynasty, the eternal family tradition is vanquished, and thus the rest of the family becomes involved in irreligious practice.
अधर्माभिभवाय कृष्ण प्रदुष्यन्ति कुलसर्तीयः स्त्रीषु दुष्टासु वाषणेय जायते वरंस्नर.
When irreligion is prominent in the family, O Krishna, the women of the family become corrupt, and from the degradation of womanhood, O descendant of Varsni, comes unwanted progeny.
संक्रो नरकायैव कुलघनाना कुलस्य च पतन्ति पितरो हेषा लुप्तपीण्डोन्क्रिया.
Increase of unwanted population, a hellish situation is created both for the family and for those who destroy the family tradition. In such corrupt families, there is no offering of oblations, of food and water to the ancestors.
दुष्यरितयः कुलघनाना वर्णसंकरकारके उत्साधन्ते जातिधर्माः कुलधर्माश्च शाश्वता.
The evil deeds of the destroyers of family tradition, all kinds of community projects and family welfare activities are devastated.
उत्सन्न कुलधर्माना मनुष्याना जनार्दन नरके नियत वासो भवतीत्यनुश्रुश्रुम.
O Krishna, maintainer of the people, I have heard by disciplic succession that those who destroy family traditions dwell always in hell.
अहो बत महत्पाप कतु व्यवसिता वयम यद्राज्य सुखलोभे हन्तु स्वजन्मुत्ता.
Alas, how strange it is that we are preparing to commit greatly sinful acts, driven by the desire to enjoy royal happiness.
यदि मां प्रतिकारमशस्त्रम शस्त्रपाण्यः धार्तराष्ट्रा रणे हनुस्तम्मे क्षेमत्रम भवेत्.
I would consider it better for the sons of Dhartarashtra to kill me, unarmed and unresisting, rather than to fight with them.
एवमुक्त्वा जुक्नः संख्ये रथोपस्थ उपाविशत विसृजय सशर्चाप शोक संविघ्नमांस.
Arjuna, having thus spoken on the battlefield, cast aside his bow and arrows and sat down on the chariot, his mind overwhelmed with grief.